Then Atisha's third teaching, radical teaching. Consider all phenomena to be dreams. Remember how Shakespeare said it's all like a dream and our little life is rounded with a sleep or on a sleep. Like a star at dawn, a flash of lightning in a summer cloud, an echo, a rainbow, a phantom, a dream. All this world that seems so solid and unchanging to our senses and nervous systems, they actually organize it to make it seem solid, but it's not. Even your vision, your eyeball is actually moving all the time. It's not like a fixed camera. And then the brain takes the signals and it makes a steady image, but it's not what we see. Just nerve impulses in the brain. The consciousness creates the steady of things. But if you look deeply, it turns out tentative, and emptiness shows through anywhere. You know? I mean, think about it. We're 2020, or the year 2000. Remember Y2K? Where did it go? It's back with the pyramids. It's back with Napoleon. It's back with the dinosaurs. It's back in the void where it came from. Every day and every new moment comes trooping out of emptiness and displays itself, and then it vanishes. Like a dream. And when you die, after you float out of your body, and there's generally this sense of looking back, and you go, wow, that was quite a ride, wasn't it? But you know that waking from dreams, wow, that was quite a dream, wasn't it? And when you know this, it turns things upside down a little bit. Because what seems unchangeable and stuck, there's so many possibilities. I saw a photo, two of them actually, that were taken of the Macy's Thanksgiving parade in New York, looking, I guess it would have been up or down Fifth Avenue. And one of those photos was taken in 1903. And the avenue was filled with carriages and horses. New York, 1903. The next photo was taken in 1908, 5 years later. There were hardly any horses. The whole avenue was filled with all these Tin Lizzies and, early autos. People say, oh, it's too late for climate change. I mean, it's a very compelling and important question. But things can change. They can get worse, they can get better, but they're not fixed. So if things are more changeable and tentative and they don't last and they're not substantial, every relationship changes. You know that. You'd like it to be fixed and it doesn't. Your body changes. You were this little tiny person. And now, you've sprouted in all these ways. And then it starts to get rickety. It just does. The Buddha said of his body, it was like an old coffin held together by leather straps and thongs, just kind of hanging in there. But if it's like a dream, make it a beautiful one.